Alright guys, we got a treat for you. Early in the morning, stole my friend's truck. This is how it looks now. Now we're gonna go do some fun stuff to it. And we're gonna make it a bit better. This was his high school truck that his dad had, gave him to him. He drove it, he loves it, literally loves it. He will never get rid of it. So his wife's surprising him with some upgrades. Alright guys, here we are with the Toyota. So we got these wimpy 235s. These are getting changed out to some 285s on a 16-inch wheel with a steel wheel, similar design, but in black to go with the black and white theme we're going to work on. It's going to make it way better. They're going to be 8-ply, they're going to be mud tires, and they're going to look a lot better. So to do that, we're also going to change out front struts, do a 3-inch lift across the whole thing, change out the upper control arms for beefier, bigger ones that are a little bit longer, a little more tucked for the bigger tires and the lifts. Then we got a supporter spring and lift blocks for the rear and new rear shocks. So that's the basis of what we're trying to get done today, is to get the lift on, get all the new suspension in, and then go to the tire shop and get tires mounted on the new rims so we can bring them back and finish off the project today. Okay, PB blasted the bolts that I'm going to be taking off. Need to get done here now. Bilsteins, they're dated 02, so they definitely have been on here for a few years. Okay, we're under the truck here. Ball joint needs to come off. We took the cover to set it over there. The strut needs to come out. The top control arm bolt needs to come out. The sway bar needs to drop for the brackets. We got an extended piece for that to drop it a little more for the lift. And then we can get all this worked over. All the bolts and nuts are off that need to be off, both sides. I just need to get the ball joints out. Go up there, take this bracket out. I hate this design. The super long bolt that goes into the engine bay and pokes everything. It's kind of annoying. So I gotta go up there, take this bracket out so I can slide that bolt out. But both sides are done. It's good to go on this side. See if we can get these things out, get the control arms off, and then we'll work on new parts, getting these off, because I have a new spherical setup that goes with the lifted version control arms that are reinforced. Get a little better angle for the lift. Happy birthday, Jake. It's coming together. Parts are off. About ready to put parts on. Alright guys, little backstory. Last summer, we looked at this truck and I did all this research to get this sorted. And it worked out perfect because his wife came to me and said, hey, we never did that. Let's surprise him for his birthday. So, here we are. And I already knew everything about the truck. I already knew all the rims, the sizes we wanted to go. So it actually really helps that we talked about it 6 or 8 months ago. And now here we are doing it as a surprise. So it's pretty awesome. Alright guys, there's the 30-foot bolt. That is the upper control arm bolt. It's super annoying. Alright guys, we're back from the tire shop. We got them on there. Those things looking sweet. High country mud terrains, HM1s with a steel wheel that looks pretty sweet. Has a little more poke out. These are 285 at 75/16 and went up from the 15 to a 16 and a little bit bigger tire. 17 almost got too big. These are about a 30. Compared to what he's running was like a 27. So these will definitely give him a little more clearance, and they're looking slick. So we're getting there. Alright guys, here's the upper arms with the spherical setup. New washers, new bushings, some reinforcement. These are going to go in place of the old crusty ones. Nice. Alright guys, we got the 2-inch block installed. We got the upper control arm. Very nice setup if you can get that ball to move. Big Allen and bolt. I have to say there is definitely a lot of difference. Height and not. Hopefully these fit and don't scrub too bad. Alright guys, I got the added spring on. The people forgot our U-bolts, so we can't add in our blocks as well. So I just put that back together. I'm going to go ahead and put these new shocks on. We got Pro Comp shocks down there, but it's getting better. Like, it's looking slick. And with the lift on, we cranked it back and forth. He'll probably scrub on in pretty intense bumps, but we got that sorted, and they're looking good on this Toyota. Definitely getting it a little more ground clearance, that's for sure. Wheels are on. Pro Comp shocks are in. Everything's buttoned back down and tightened back up on the rear. And we're ready to drop it down. This is going to be sweet. It was so late last night, couldn't get outside, but now here you go. Doesn't that look so much better? That's looking slick. So don't forget, there's a little squat. There will be another 1.5 to 2 inches on the rear with the blocks, but it came out really nice. I dig in the white, love the black rim. It's looking sweet. It's gonna be a nice hunting rig. Should be really good. Get some good clearance. It's way better than it was, man. Hot dang. And there we have it. All washed up, looking nice, guys. White and fancy. Already has rock dents. Need some rock sliders now, I guess. But we got her done. Till we get the rear U-bolts to put in the blocks. We're ready to deliver today for the birthday.
I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs.
Got him! Got him!
Got me, Court. Oh my gosh. I opened that garage and I'm like, what the fuck is that? It looks exactly like mine, but way better looking.
It's weird. It does look like yours.
DVD!
Happy birthday!
Alright, you got me.
How was it?
Oh my god.
How is it, dude?
Nice. Good job, sweetie. Oh.
Do you love it?
Good job. That looks great. That looks way cooler.
It doesn't look so good.
You freaking lied about my truck.
You were so mad last night when I told him.
Dude.
I was mad. I was like, hey, I know it's a piece of crap truck, but it's like, no, it's not. It's my truck. It's got me good. I had no idea. Look at it. It looks great.
Oh. No, but I did get it back, and it is sick. How you like it?
I like it a lot, man.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a